You got a problem.
Open it up.
Go ahead. Open it up. Do what he says. Hurry.
What's the matter with you? You're acting like you're nervous or something.
Well, yeah, I am.
What are you nervous about? I'm the one that's under the gun here.
You want to know what I'm nervous about? I'll tell you what I'm nervous about. I am in the dark here with all this. I have no idea what's going on. All I know is you're screwing up, and I can't help.
You lent me a little camera, didn't you?
Oh, I'm watching you go down in flames, and you're bringing me with you, and I can't do anything about it.
And?
Well, I hate to bring it up because I know you got enough pressure on you already. But we agreed to get married. Meanwhile, 10 years later, my clock is ticking like this. And the way this is going, I ain't never getting married.
I don't need this. I swear to God, I do not need this right now, okay? I got a judge that's just aching to throw me in jail. An idiot who wants to fight me for $200. Giant loud whistles. I ain't slept in 5 days. I got no money, a dress code problem, and in the balance holds the lives of 2 innocent kids. Not to mention my career, your life, our marriage, and let me see, what else can we pile on to the top of the outcome of this case? Is it possible?
Maybe it was a bad time to bring it up.
Then, don't shake your head. I'm not done yet. Wait till you hear the whole thing so you can understand this now.
It's a 13. Fit in there. That's okay. Okay.
What's really funny is I'm in the middle of the weeds, laying down. He comes over, he said, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm resting." "Here, you resting?" "Beach in a park." I said, "I'm resting." "I know I'm resting. They pull me in, they start giving me all kinds of questions, you know, this and that. He says, "Oh, so what are you going to tell us, tough guy?" I said, "My usual, 0, nothing. I tell you." Bing, pow, boom, bing. You saw the paper, Anthony, my head was up like this. So now I'm coming around, you know. I start to come out of it. Who do I see in front of me? "What do you want to tell me now, tough guy?" I said, "Bing, what are you doing here?" Pow, ping, pow. Gee, I wish I was big just once.
Really funny. Really funny.
What do you mean I'm funny?
It's funny, you know. It's a good story. It's funny. You're a funny guy.
What do you mean? You mean the way I talk? What? Funny how? What do you mean funny? Funny how? How am I funny?
Well, just... you know how you tell a story. What?
No, I don't know. You said it. How do I know? You said I'm funny.
Just, you know, you're funny.
But I'm funny how? I mean funny like I'm a clown, I amuse you? I make you laugh?
I thought...
Tell me what's funny. What angle was your point of view? So would you say you got a better shot at them going in and not so much coming out?
You could say that.
I did say that. Would you say that?
Yeah. Okay.
What you doing now?
Throttle body. Just cleaning it up. It wasn't as dirty as I thought it would be. The car stalled out yesterday. So I was like, man, I don't know. I'm going to do whatever I think is next, you know? Hopefully after this, and she'll be running better.
Yeah, it's no problem. I'm going to put it on my tab. Of course.
That's what I want to talk to you about. You know, it ain't just this here. I don't mean to be out of order or nothing.
You don't mean to be out of order? She said, it's good you don't mean to be out of order, sonny. You call embarrassing me in front of my friends, don't know, like calling me a deadbeat. think this is funny, huh? You're supposed to be doing this stuff too, you know?
You're a funny guy.
Hey, you want to laugh? Last week you asked me to christen his kid. Yeah, all right, for $7,000 I charged for christening.
You really are a funny guy.
Oh man, look at that. Came like right on.
Hang upside down blindfold, and then I take my gun apart and I put it back together real fast before my nose starts to bleed.
Oh, that's great.
What are my chances?
Not good.
You mean not good like 1 out of 100?
I'd say more like 1 out of 1,000,000.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
No, this part was broken off. It's brittle and old. It goes in there like that.
That's as good as money, sir. Go ahead and add it up. Every cent's accounted for. Look. See this? That's a car. $275,000. Might want to hang on to that one.
I'll be right back. Don't you go dying on me!
That where you gonna go?
And yeah.
Well, as you see.
Rookie mistake.
I got no more use for this guy.
No more questions.
That's all you're good.